Good evening, YouTube. Thought I'd put a quick video up on my go case for HF radio operations and put that on YouTube just to show you what I've got going on here. But we're talking about radio operations remote. There's two different types of radio operations that most people get involved with when they're out in the field. As far as amateur radio is concerned, it's either HF, the high frequency bands, or VHF, UHF type work. So this in particular I'm going to show you tonight is my HF setup. I've also got VHF capabilities in the truck and a portable radio handheld for that VHF band as well. So this will be the HF, more long range, worldwide communications really. So we'll start with this, and maybe this will help some of you out there kind of at least think about what you might want to do when you put together your HF Go Kit. So let's dig right in. First thing we got is a good hard case, and the hard case that I picked up for this, I got this at one of the Hamfests. It's a Thermodyne case, which is, I looked it up, looks like they do some cases for the military and some other kind of rugged type outdoor operations. The latches are really good. It's not 100% waterproof, and this already had a Motorola radio sticker on it, so I think this was set up for a radio. And I want to say that the little holes that are built into it are to keep moisture from being trapped inside. So let's just open it up and see what we got here. So the latches are metal, all the rest of it is pretty well built. Okay, first thing we got on top here is the portable HF antenna. This particular antenna is a Chameleon brand. It's called an MCOM 2, and maybe I can get that in the focus there. Chameleon MCOM 2, 60 feet of wire. It's got this insulator on the end of the wire. Got your feed point at the bottom for your coax. And I've got another 60 feet that's recommended of counterpoise wire to put onto the bottom of the matching network here. And you literally put this up in a tree or string it up with some rope, whatever else you might have, and you can get on the air pretty quick. It's stealthy, it's low profile. I've used it out camping several times and it's worked great. So I like it because it's compact and I can actually get it in the same box as the radio gear. So that's made by Chameleon Antenna. The next thing we have is the heart of the matter, and that's the transceiver. So I've got this case foam trimmed out specifically for the radio I'm using currently for portable operations. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Instruction manual. Be nice to have that if you're out and you forget how to do something. There's a few other odds and ends in there. Don't forget your fuses, and you can even throw some rope or paracord in there if you wanted to. But the radio we've got here is a Yaesu FT450D, 450 Delta, and this radio will tune 1.8 megahertz through 50 megahertz band, so 160 meter through 6 meter. And the accessories we need to go with that: hand mic, standard stock hand mic. This is the Yaesu MH31, and that plugs right into the front of the radio. And we also have power cable. Power cable I have fitted with Anderson power poles. They allow you kind of a direct and quick hookup to your battery. Just good to have that on your station to be able to connect your power up very quickly. So we'll go ahead and hook that up to the back of the radio here. Okay, that's plugged in. The other thing I have in the box is a SignalLink USB and the cable that goes to the radio. And this is for, you have your laptop with your computer, you can work digital modes, which allows you to, on very low power, communicate in sort of a text type form over the HF airwaves to another station. So that comes in handy if band conditions are bad for voice or phone contact. And that's made by Tigertronics. So I'll go ahead and hook the power up. We'll pretend like we've got a battery here, which I normally would have out in the field. I just connect it up to my power supply here, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Got the power connected up. Radio's on, and right now it's on the 40 meter band. So that's basically it. Just a real short demonstration of what we've got in the Go box. Enough to deploy all this out in the field and work HF remotely. So I hope this helps you out, 73. Have a great day.